This video will show you how you can add your unavailability onto Fixflo. This allows you to let agents know when you will be unavailable for work. Please note that this can only be done on the web. To do this, you'll need to log into Fixflo and then click on Setup and Availability on your left-hand menu sidebar. It will always show you as being available unless you have added that you will be unavailable. If you are planning on taking a break, then simply click on Add Unavailability, and you will then be able to add your first day and last day of unavailability onto this pop-up. If you are not sure when you will be back working, then you can simply leave the last day blank. Once added, you'll be able to view this here, and it can be edited and deleted as well. You can add multiple periods of unavailability by adding more here. Once your unavailability has been added onto Fixflo, when an agent goes to either instruct jobs onto you or to request quotes from you, then they will be notified that you are unavailable for work. This can really help them with their processes, ensuring that jobs are going to contractors who are available to take on the work. Thank you for watching.